Hi, first graders, and welcome back to another day of first grade. Let's take a look at our learning target. I can start a job on IXL independently. Ooh, $1,000,000 word right there. Independently means by myself. You say it. By myself. So, at the end of today, we want to say, I can start a job on IXL all by myself. Let's practice. We'll move to the next slide by clicking, click. All right. Do you recognize this classroom? This is our math classroom, and I have a job to do on this page. I see Miss Rossman is pointing at my job. To get to my job, I'll just click on the picture. Click. That takes me to my IXL. Now, detectives, you're going to have to look close for the star. Do you see the yellow star? The yellow star is right here. Click. And I see my math job for today. So click, and it will take you to your math job for the day. So, when in doubt, click on the yellow star. Have fun. See you next time, first graders.